Hey YouTube, this is GothicKingCobra52 with a video. What would it sound like if the Kool Aid man had diarrhea? Well, I made a little thing here in GarageBand, and it's pretty fucking hilarious. I'll play it for you right now.
Oh no, I gotta take a shit. Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh yeah. Oh I got the Kool Aid squirts. Oh yeah. Oh no. Okay, I need some toilet paper. Oh shit. We don't have any. Fucking A. Oh yeah.
It's like if the Kool Aid guy goes to the doctor. So, doctor, my shits are red. So, are they cherry flavored? Oh yeah. No, Mr. Kool Aid man, you have an anal leakage. Oh no. Anyway, and the second topic of this video, I get a lot of bitchy comments on my videos when I'm criticizing, one in particular, where is Screamo, why it's not metal, what's the difference? The point of this video is to prove that Cradle of Filth is not an emo band, and I can sing like Danny Filth. But, Dino Fards, with a Z at the end of 7S, commented, hey, this isn't Screamo. My response was, Cradle of Filth isn't Screamo, but My Chemical Romance is. And he goes, no it isn't, I listened to Screamo, Asking Alexandria, Bless the Fall, Suicide Silence, And I responded very politely, well, My Chemical Romance is pop punk / Screamo, Asking Alexandria isn't Screamo, they are metalcore. Bless the Fall are post-hardcore / metal core, and Suicide Silence are extreme metal. And he responded with a equals and a oh, like, like he didn't expect me to know my musical genres. Dude, seriously, I'm very passionate about music. One person said, I don't claim to be metal, but this kid is a funny one. LOL, a little goofy, and anyways, black fingernails is more emo than you think. My response to that was, well, goths paint their nails, so do emos. It's one of two things I have seen in common with the styles. Eyeliner and nail polish. But anyway, and I've heard Asking Alexandria, only like one song I really like. I try to remember the name of it, but I have it in my likes, actually. I actually watched it at a friend's house on their TV as a music video, and you know what? They're not bad, and they're not screamo from what I've heard. Screamo is just an obnoxious type of music that people use to insult metal when they don't like it. Just to piss people off. I don't know what it is about. But and if you're new to my channel, a ghost in the fog. Excuse me. Oh. Nymphetamine! Right there, Cradle of Filth, Danny Filth, okay. My sinus cough is still there, just a little bit, but you get the idea. I do better. I actually have a cool cover for Cradle of Filth, Ghost in the Fog, and No Time to Cry on my channel. Check it out, see what you think. Let's see, dude, go to my videos. And go to liked. I have a song in my favorites. I can't remember my like, I should say my previous one, my like. I'm trying to think of the name of it. Oh yeah, Asking Alexandria, a Prophecy, Summon Records. They're pretty good, you know. They're you know, and honestly, who the fuck cares if it's screamo or whatever? Just you know, shut the fuck up and enjoy the music you like to listen to, and stop, you know, on YouTube. You know, it's just you know. Just thought I'd share that with you because I found it really amusing to watch people get bitchy about nothing on YouTube. And some guitar playing before I end the video. A key factor in YouTube is to keep people entertained, and this is what gets people to my channel is my guitar playing. It's a BC Rich Skull Warlock. I've had it since junior high, and I'm not a fan of guitar like this anywhere else, so it might be a rare guitar now. Asking Alexandria does, you know, the deeper vocal throat singing is like, ooh, a prophecy, like that, you know. And that's the only song I've ever heard, and usually I'm new to a band. What dictates if I like them or not is that first song I hear, and you know what? I liked it. The Prophecy by Asking Alexandria. It's a pretty cool song. But all in all, though, and his response was shock face, like, you know, like he wasn't expecting me to my musical genres. Well, I do, because I have a huge passion for music, so yeah, right here. That's what chunks into that song. So you don't have a whammy bar. You bend this string right here. To get that opening noise for the Iron Man. Anyway, one more singing, one more guitar playing. Why not check my channel? What you think? I do vocal covers for songs and shit. Until then, this is GothicKingCobra52 with another video. Yeah. Oh, this riff right here. That's Pink Floyd's Goodbye Blue Sky with power chords. It sounds pretty sick. Thanks for watching.